Hey guys, it's Anissa Lamara. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a final review on the Hair Company. Remember the SZA Ginger Inspire wig that I created? I wanted to do a final review of this hair. And also do kind of like an update of how I've been wearing it and how I have transformed it for the summer and give you my final review. So I'm just going to do a basic wash and go on this unit. I shampooed it and conditioned it with the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream line, and it made this hair so soft and really easy to detangle. So here I am just letting it dry. So I'm using my blow dryer on a medium temperature and kind of going back and forth between the cool setting to make sure that the hair doesn't frizz up too much. And then I'm just going to pop it on my head. I actually just recently discovered the wig band, which is this black band that you guys saw at the beginning of the video, where it keeps the wig in place. Y'all, it's a game changer. I'm going to talk about it on the next video. Just going to kind of cut it a little bit, and this makes it just a little bit easier than doing the wand curls. Obviously it cuts down on time, and I'm just going to pick it out with my hair pick, and that's it. Super simple. This hair isn't fully dried on this video, so it does get a little bit bigger. The color is still intact and the curls are still popping, and that is it. So this is it, guys. This hair is so just unbelievably beautiful. I'm tempted to cut a little bit more, but I feel like every time I start cutting my wigs I always regret it. The curly ones I always regret, and I'm like, dang, I cut too much. Maybe I can make this a little bit bigger with just teasing it out some more, and kind of like lifting it at the roots like so. So see, that made it a little bit bigger versus that. So again, this is the Brazilian Curly, 4 bundles of 18 and 20 inch, which I've obviously cut down, and plus a full frontal closure. It's still really soft. As you can see, I've washed it, I've conditioned it. My color is still out, popping, doing its thing, and I cut it down to the point where it's not too much to deal with in the summertime. Now if it's too humid outside, I just cannot. But for the most part, if it's like breezy or it's not too humid, this is something that's still light enough where it's not going to like make me sweat tremendously. This is how I style it, just its natural curl pattern. As you can see, and you guys know that I bleached this. I colored it using Creme of Nature's Vivid Red. I used 4 boxes for this color, and the curls are still popping. Again, this is the Brazilian Curly hair by Her Hair Company. If you're looking for some recommendations, this is a nice going to the beach, you know, going on a girl's getaway. I'm in love with their hair. It's super inexpensive, like some of the most inexpensive hair you will find out there, but great quality. So I'll make sure that I link all of the information down in the description box. Make sure you comment and let me know if you like it in its curly state, or do you like the wand curls better. I will say that when the hair was in its wand curls, it frizzed up a lot and the curls didn't hold, and that's because in New York it's so freaking humid. So I don't know if I needed to use like some holding spray or something to hold the curls, but it was a hot frizzy mess. So I went out with just the natural curls, and as you know, humidity loves curls, and because this is a looser hair texture, didn't really deal with much shrinkage, obviously, because it's like a 3B 3C hair texture, so it's looser, so humidity doesn't shrink it as much. It only got a little bit frizzy. And this is also a great summer hairstyle because it's so humid, especially the places that I'm going to be visiting. New York is really humid, Mississippi is really humid. So just wearing the natural curl as is saves on time. I would just rather wear it like this. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And so next time, I see you guys later.